Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Let me introduce myself. My name is Rian El Haitami. You can call me Rian. My student number 190500004. I'm Aerospace Engineering Department. Hello Miss Maria, how are you? I hope you have a good day. Okay, today I will explain about the fuel system in aircraft. There are so many important parts of an aircraft. One of them is the fuel system. Okay, let's start the video. I hope my video can help you to understand about fuel system. Fuel system. The fuel system allows the crew to pump, manage, and deliver aviation fuel to the propulsion system, an auxiliary power unit of an aircraft. There is a precaution that we must follow general precaution and rules during fueling and refueling. Warning: during all fueling procedures, firefighting equipment must be available. Attach a ground wire from approved ground stage to the mooring ice ball on LH and RH wing struts, or mooring ring on LH and RH wing. Ground fuel nozzle to airplane during fuel operation. So we must have firefighting equipment to safety. Okay, this is a picture from the fuel system. I'm sorry if the picture is not good, but we can see the part like exhaust system, combustion system, and fuel feed system. If you want the detailed information from this schematic, you can search in Google. Okay, the next part is fuel tanks. A rigid metal tank is installed in the inboard panel of each wing. Some drain valves, one in each tank, are provided for draining trapped water and sediment. Okay, this is a removal and installation. A. Remove some drain valve and drain fuel from applicable tank. B. Remove fuel tank cover by removing attaching screws. C. Remove wing root fairing. D. Disconnect and plug or cap all fuel and fan line from tank. Remove fittings as necessary for clearance when removing tank. E. Disconnect electrical lead and ground strap from fuel quantity transmitter. F. Disconnect straps securing fuel tank and remove tank. Use care to avoid damage to protruding fittings and hose connections when removing the tank. G. To install tank, reverse the preceding steps. Be sure grounding is secure in accordance. So, the next part is fuel fan. Fuel fan, a fan line is installed in the outboard end of the left fuel tank and extends overboard down through the lower wing skin. So, if the stoppage of either the fuel fan or fan lead hole occurs with the engine running, it can lose power and eventually stop due to fuel starvation. There is a part that we must check periodically in the fuel fan, like attach a rubber tube to the end of fan line beneath the wing. B. Blow into tube to slightly pressurize tank. Air can be blown into tank. Fan line is open. C. After tank is slightly pressurized, insert end of rubber tube into a container of water and watch for a continuous stream of bubbles, which indicated the bleed hole in valve assembly is open and relieving pressure. D. After completion of step C, blow into tube again to slightly pressurize the tank and loosen but do not remove filter cap. On opposite side, we to check tank crossover line. If pressure escapes from filter cap, crossover line is open. Okay, in the valve cleaning, inspection, and repair, we must repair of damaged or worn parts of the selector valve. Assembly is not auto-rigid and therefore is limited to removes of part only. Okay, the next part is fuel selector valve. Okay, this is a removal and installation that we must check and periodically, like what I'm saying. And in the fuel selector valve, we must remove an installation like drain all fuel from wing tanks, remove selector valve handle, peel back carpet as required to gain access to inspection plates, and disconnect lower universal, disconnect and cap inlet and outlet fuel lines to valve, remove screw attaching valve to mounting bracket and withdraw valve, and revolve preceding steps for installation. Service aircraft in accordance with section 2. Turn fuel selector valve to on position and check for leaks. And the last is replace items removed for access. Okay, the next part is fuel strainer. The fuel strainer is the mounted as the firewall in the lower engine compartment. The strainer is equipped with a quick drain valve which provides a means of draining trapped water and sediment from the fuel system. Okay, this is a removal and installation like the other part on the fuel system. This is a C figures 12 strip 6. So I get all information from the Google, but I can't insert the picture to the PPT because I don't know why I can't insert the picture to the PPT. And if you want to see the picture, you can see in the Google, like you can search fuel strainer picture and you can get the picture. Okay, maybe you can write with your own self to the fuel strainer. Okay, next, priming system. In the priming system, we just removal without installation. I don't know, but maybe we can search in Google why. Let's start to the A. Place fuel shut-off valve in the off position. Spirit trip cloth under left hand instrument panel. C. Disconnect and cap or plug primer lens at primer. D. Unlock primer knob and pull off to clear packing nut. Unscrew packing nut. Withdraw primer knob and piston rod from instrument panel, the primer bearer assembly can now be worked free from the instrument panel on the firewall side of the panel. Okay, that's all my video today. I'm sorry if there is a mistake in my explanation. And honestly, I'm not good when I'm explain this material for you guys. I'm so sorry. Maybe next time you can learn the material better. And wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh, and see you in my next video. And stay safe, stay healthy, and stay at home. See you guys.